Hi, I'm Sally Kushar with Sunset Magazine, and this is the 2019 Sunset Idea House. Let's go inside. This home in particular is nestled into the Santa Monica Canyon. It's 3,800 square feet. It features 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. So the first thing you see when you enter the house is this beautiful crystal chandelier that hangs from the ceiling all the way down 8 feet. There are hundreds of crystals. And here we are on the main floor. You have a giant kitchen, you have a living room, and you have a dining room. It's an open concept, and it's a house built for entertaining. In the kitchen, we have Carrara marble, soft wood, and one of the ways we break up all these hard right angles of the architecture is by picking fixtures that have softer edges to have a juxtaposition against all of the hard right angles of the architecture. In the main living space, we have our crown jewel of the open concept. It's this circular LED chandelier. It mimics the coffee table, and it really, again, helps break up all these hard right angles. The juxtaposition is really beautiful. And we also have wonderful table lamps that are blackened steel, which is another material that we're really into. We love all of the different organic materials that are in the home, and one of the ways we liven it up is by utilizing organic metals like brass and chrome. As I've mentioned before, there's a lot of hard right angles in this very contemporary new constructed house, and one of the ways we soften up that look is by picking fixtures that break up those angles by doing that with their form. Now let's check out the second floor, and we'll start with the master suite. So now we're in the master suite, which, full disclosure, is my favorite room in the house. It is absolutely opulent. The views are outstanding. So the first thing you see is this incredible mural on the wall. It's actually a wallpaper. It was custom made for this property, and it features a canyon, which is very similar to the canyon that we're nestled into here in Santa Monica. Also, we have this incredible crystal chandelier. It has a lot of glam, which is great because this is a very glamorous room. We also have these great table lamps that are on the nightstands. They were picked specifically because it's very in tune with the whole aesthetic of the house, which is like luxurious, earthy tones. And I think this lamp kind of captivates that whole look. Now, the reason I said this was a master suite is because this master bathroom, and one of the things that I love most about it are these hanging pendants, and it's actually one fixture with 3 pendants. So now let's check out the guest bedroom and full bath, and I'll have you guess why we call it the sunset room. Immediately we walk in and you feel warmth through the natural light, through the beautiful yellow palette. Now let's check out the guest bath. It has my favorite light in the whole house. Are you ready? Are you ready? Is it a mirror? Or is it a light? Or is it both? So this is a way to illuminate space without taking up unnecessary wall space or ceiling space. So much fun. I could do this all day. So this is actually the den on the 2nd story. It's the last room, and I think that's because once you get down here, you're like, I just want to sit down and relax, and that's exactly what you can do here. Everything in this room is a healthy mix of vintage finds, one-of-a-kind pieces, and new furniture. It's really an exercise in good design. And here we are on the 1,700 square foot roof deck, a perfect entertaining space for family and friends to gather. You have the Pacific Ocean that you can see to the west, and then the rest of the view is of the Santa Monica Canyon. We have an outdoor dining area. This is a 14-foot long table that seats 10. We also have a complete outdoor kitchen. And then at the end of the deck, we have a fire pit that seats 10 of your closest family and friends. And that's it. It's the 2019 Sunset Idea House, the epitome of cool California coastal living.